Open the box, take out the product. Remove the packaging. Remove the screws. Align the kickstand and fasten the screws. Remove the front fork guard. Remove the protective plate. Align the wheel with the front fork. Fit the brake disc into the dropout. Use 15 mm wrench to fasten the screws. Remove the screw. Fasten the headlight with the screw. Remove the screws. Insert the handlebar. Fasten the screws for handlebar. Open the seat tube lock. Insert the seat tube. Lift the seat. Fasten the seat tube lock. Install left pedal counterclockwise through the threaded hole. Install right pedal clockwise through the threaded hole. Turn the key clockwise. The battery pops up. Remove the battery. Place back the battery.